Hello guys, I'm here in Kyowan University where the university protects endangered species. It is called Korean flamingo, stork. Well, I'm here to introduce this facility. This facility has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8 cages, and it has the water storage under the ground and the toilet over there. And I think they have 2 or 3 birds every single cages. Look at these beautiful birds. They are white and black, and they're unfortunately endangered, so the university protects those birds for the breeds. And they have CCTVs every single cages, and they monitor their health conditions. I loved it. Thanks for your 1 minute. I'll see you next time. Bye.